After I posted this tutorial right here on how to do $5 feather crochet mini twist with X-Pression hair, I got so many questions from you guys asking me, Loveth, how do we take down the hair? And that's exactly what we're going to be doing today, okay? Because in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to properly take down your feather crochet mini twist or just any other feather crochet braid style that you have installed on your head without breaking or damaging your hair, okay? Okay. I actually have 3 DIY feather crochet braid tutorials. For this one right here, I showed you guys how to do kinky curly feather crochet braids. On this other tutorial, I showed you guys how to do boho curly feather crochet braids that you can use for your miracle knotless braids. And last week, I showed you guys how to do feather crochet mini twists. And one thing all of these tutorials have in common is that none of the extensions cost more than $6. So this is what my hair looks like after having it in for a while. To take down the hair, the first thing you want to do is locate your anchor braids. And for those of you who don't know what this is this piece of hair right here. So if you watch the tutorial, when I was done with my braid pattern, I actually had this particular braid that I just kind of tucked in under one of the braids at the back, and that's my anchor braid. So the first thing you want to do is locate your anchor braid and pull it out. And once you pull off your anchor braids, the next thing you want to do is loosen your cornrows. This right here is literally the easiest thing to do. As you loosen your cornrows, your feather crochet mini twists are going to slide out like butter. Okay. This is not difficult at all. I was actually filming this around like 3 a.m. till about 4-5 a.m. so I was really exhausted, but I literally just put on a show in front of me and I was standing through the whole process. I didn't even sit down. For the front, where I have the individual crochet mini twist, I had leave out where I had my parting area and around the perimeter of my head. And for those of you who haven't seen that tutorial, this is what my braid pattern actually looks like. For the area where I had my leave out, I just went ahead and did individual crochet mini twists. To take this out, all you have to do is just unravel the twist. Once you unravel the twist and get to the point where you have your 1-inch 3-strand braid, you want to go ahead with your rat tail comb and loosen that. Once you loosen that, the next thing you want to do is gently slide your extension out of your hair. And once you do that, your extension will naturally slide out of your hair. So this is what my hair looks like. As you guys can see, I had a lot of residue from the shine and jam that I used and hair products. But as for my hair didn't break, my hair didn't tangle, my hair didn't shed. This is my fail-proof method on how to take down your feather crochet mini twist. I also created a very in-depth guide on how I created this hairstyle, from cutting your attachments, how I attached my threading. Like, it's so detailed and so elementary at the same time that even a 5-year-old can comprehend, okay? So if you're someone who just prefers reading instructions, please go ahead and check the description box down below. One thing I forgot to show in that tutorial was how I actually took off the hair from my cable. And the thing is that I had already filmed that clip, I just forgot to insert it into that video. So once you are done, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and cut off the ends of your cable. And once you do that, once you cut off the ends of the cable, simply just slide the hair out of the cable and it will slide out like butter. I also went ahead and kind of like inserted clips from another tutorial where I showed you guys the same process. So again, you want to go ahead and cut off the ends of your cable, slide the hair out, and you'll be good to go. So I hope I have answered all of you guys' questions. Thank you guys so much for the love on this tutorial. Like, the comments are crazy. You guys will not understand. Okay, I read every single comment. I might not have the energy to respond to every single comment, but I read them, and I just want to say thank you guys so much. Okay, so with that being said, I hope you guys found this takedown tutorial helpful. Also, don't forget to share this tutorial, leave a comment, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Till then, bye guys. Mwah.